I'm Alan, the product manager for BIGDAISHOWA products. Today I would like to show the EVN fine boring head and to explain to perform a precise grooving with the same boring head. EVN, are you ready?
Yes, I am. Hello everyone. As my colleague says, I can perform precise face grooving as well. You know how tricky this operation can be. With me, it's just a piece of cake. Just select the right insert holder and insert width from my wider selection. And that's it. Look at the animation on this video to see how easy it is. Would you like to see for yourself what I am capable of? Call a BIGDAISHOA colleague and we will be right with you. Stay tuned, see you soon.
Thank you very well, EVN. Well said. If you would like to know more about our products or try them yourself, just contact us anytime.